nematodes. This is how we use them. So here we are in the greenhouse, and now I'm going to show you the other way that you can apply nematodes. Other than a dispensing sprayer, you can use a watering can. It doesn't get any easier. Now, this I'm going to put way over here because the last thing I want is for this to get wet. It's still got some in it, and I may do it again in here tomorrow. Or in a week or something. The reason I'm pouring from way up in the air is because it stirs up the water better. That's the same way I mix my fertilizer in. Just pour it in there hard, and it mixes it right up. what I'm going to do is I'm going to water all the plants in here, and I'm also going to water around the edges and stuff, because a bunch of the things that are bugging us, like thrips, grow in soil, so they could easily be living right along that edge of that thing in the soil. That's all you have to do. It's a little messy, but I can live with messy if it'll take care of the problems we have with thrips and some other predators. So I'm going to fill this up again, and I'm going to hit the rest of these guys, and then we'll be done. Now you'll notice the lights are on in here. That's because it's dusk, and it'll be actually a little dark in here pretty quick here. And what I want to do is I want to make sure I can see what I'm doing, but I'm going to turn the lights off when I'm done because thrips don't like light. These guys have been living in my refrigerator for a couple of weeks, along with seeds and potatoes and all kinds of other things. Now just to water these guys, so that anything that's in these pots will not be in the pots when we're done. They'll die after about 2 to 5 days. I harvested carrots today, so there's no carrots in here, but I'm still going to water the pot because if there's anybody living in there, we don't want them to be there for the next guys that I grow in there. Well, I think you get the idea. Super easy, super non-toxic, super messy, but isn't everything when it comes to gardening? And when I'm done with this, I'm going to change my clothes because it's almost time for bed. Wash my hands and wash my arms and not worry about it, because it's not like with so many other things where you really feel like you've got to scrub yourself down to the ends of the earth. They are non-toxic, non-harmful to people, animals, birds, beneficials. So be sure to like, subscribe, hit that notification bell, because we'll be doing lots more. Lots more. So, until next time, bye.